The equation of the line shown in the diagram is. So let's look at the graph and see how the equation looking like. As you can see, it's intercepting the y-axis at -1. So the y-intercept is -1. So the answer is either A or D, because the y-intercept is -1. Now let's look at the gradient. As you can see, the gradient is defined by the amount that y rises when x increases by 1. So if we start in here and if you increase x by 1, you can see y rises by a half. Every time we increase x by 1, y rises by a half. So let's take a closer look at the graph again. Let's look at the gradient. We know the y-intercept is -1. That's why the line touches the y-axis at -1. Now let's look at the gradient. The gradient is defined by how much y varies when x increases by 1. So if we increase x from 0 to 1, y increases by a half. Again, if we increase x from 1 to 2, we increase x by 1, y increases by a half. We increase x by 1, y is increasing by a half. So therefore now the gradient is a half. The y-intercept is -1 and the gradient is a half. So the answer is A. Y is equal to a half. The gradient is a half. X minus 1. So the answer is A. Gradient is a half and the y-intercept is -1.